PierTech is celebrating their 25th anniversary.
Want to invite everybody to come out and be at our 25th anniversary party.
We're going to start things off on Thursday with a plant tour. You're also going to have the opportunity to see product demonstrations. We'll have skid steers and mini X's here so you can see how our attachments work and how you can use them to drive in piers. On Friday, June 5th, we'll have training, so you'll become an installer. You're going to learn about how to install the piers, how to do the math to ensure that those piers are installed correctly to support loads.
Dinner on Friday evening, then the weekend is really cool, Friday and Saturday.
There will be food trucks, games, drinks, so bring your children, your spouses, of course your coworkers. We'll get to watch the extremely cool biannual air show where the Blue Angels come out, the military jets.
Love to have our customers and our vendors and friends of PierTech join us.
June 4th through the 7th. Come see us.
For more information, RSVP by visiting PierTech's.com.